for people who have agencies and you want to make the communication process easier without having to do PDF reports every week, record a screencast for 5 to 10 minutes, walking through every campaign you've created, explaining why you did what you did, why you chose the targeting, why you chose the creative, how you wrote the copy, and send it to the client.
Yeah.
Yes, it's 5 to 10 minutes per video. If you have 50 clients, it could be a huge pain in the ass. I'm not saying you got to do it with every single client, but there are certain clients that want that level of communication where they want to talk to you every week or they want to report every week. Most of my clients don't. They actually want one piece of communication a month. So we'll have one call for 30 minutes or an hour and we'll break everything down and we're good. But I do have a couple that want reports every week. So I record the screencast. I break everything down just like as I said. And I'll send it off in Slack, Skype, email, wherever they communicate with me. And the response I get the majority of the time is, thank you for these screencasts. They make it so much easier to understand.
Yeah.
Because if you typed it all out, you're not going to read a 5-page report from me. It's like getting a lead magnet every week of trying to explain what's going on.
Yeah.
I can explain it in 5 minutes, and that's going to make it a lot easier for you. Same thing with the data. Instead of just putting the data in a PDF or in a chart or a spreadsheet and hoping that the client understands it, put it in a video, send it to them, and say it out loud. And most of the time, the client's going to go, oh, I get it now.
Yeah.
Because it's just how they learn. Maybe they need to be more visual or they got to hear it or, you got to show them what's going on behind the scenes. It makes it so much easier and simpler to break things down. And because of that, I don't have to put PDF reports together. Because of that, my call volume has actually gone down because some people just don't even want to have calls anymore. They're like, hey, just send me a screenshot.
Yeah.
Right? So, or a screencast and a couple screenshots and we're good. So, 40, 50 clients at any given time, I may only have 10 or 15 of those clients that want to have calls once a month and the rest just want screencasts.
Yeah.
So naturally I can go ahead and start closing more people because I don't have to be on the phone all the time.
Yeah.
No, that solves the communication gap, and too many advertisers don't know how to explain the work that they've done.
Yeah.
That's a huge problem.